All right, so we all know on the 24 and newer Harleys with the fairing redesign, they made changes, obviously, but they definitely made changes to the back here. Not that the previous versions were great either, but it's just a little bit clunky looking, and we've got an awesome product that we're going to install today that's going to completely clean up the rear of this bike. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Always thank you. That's right, you, for checking back in. So the product we're going to install today is from Ciro. It's an awesome product. It's a curved license plate frame with LED light. It does come in black or chrome. Of course, their products are awesome, which is why we carry them right in the Law Abiding Biker store, and I will link to it in the description below. And I will tell you, overall, it's a pretty easy install. One of the best things I think you can do to clean up the rear of these bikes. All right, enough talk. Let's get wrenching. All right, first thing he's doing, you may have a different system or different size nuts there, but just get your license plate off the frame there. And you can go ahead and pull the plate from the frame there. From there, he can go ahead and pop the stock reflector here from the frame. All right, so up in here are two bolts. They're Torx T27 that he's gonna back out here. In a moment, we're gonna have to get up underneath this fender, and it's very dark up in there, and I can't recommend enough our beloved FLEXIT LED flashlight. It is an awesome tool. We have several of them here in the shop. We sell them in the Law Abiding Biker store. I'll link in the description below. It flexes any angle you want. It's got different bright or LED intensities, I should say. It's got a magnet on it, like we have it magnetized right now, so we can see up underneath the fender. We flexed it. And it's also got a hook if you want to hang it. It's got a pocket clip. It's just an amazing light, a must-have for projects like this. And again, I'll link to it in the description below. And with that, he can go ahead and pull this off the fender here. And the two bolts there that we loosened up, he's going to dump those in his hand because we are going to reuse that hardware. So this plastic piece here that's coming out of the fender, it's got two tabs on each side. He's going to go ahead and pinch those. And once he does that, it'll push through a little bit there. All right, now is when we're going to actually move up underneath the fender here, and there's a black box I'll show you in a minute, but that's where our awesome FLEXIT flashlight is, using the magnet there, and you'll be able to see, we can see up in the fender really nice that way. Okay, so looking up in the fender there, that little plastic piece we pushed through the fender, that was to that box, and that's what allows us to kind of dangle the box here inside the fender. Pointing with the screwdriver is a little push tab there, and that's the tab that he's going to be pushing on to open this box up. All right, so he's working on that tab there, you can see. And once you pop that, you can go ahead and pull that box out of there. All right, so on the inside of your fender here is the main wire that comes down to provide power. It then plugs in and goes through the fender to your license plate light. Of course, that's what that black box protects and weatherproofs and all that, but it is connected right there. And you're just gonna push on the tab where he's pointing and pull, and that should separate for you. With that separated, he can go ahead and pull the wire through the backer there and get that out of there. And now we can pull the stock license plate holder and light out. And of course, we got to clean this bad boy up with our beloved BUGSLIDE, since we got everything removed pretty dirty up there. That is our #1 go-to waterless motorcycle cleaner. That's available in the Law Abiding Biker store. We sell the heck out of it. It's amazing. You can use it on paint, chrome, your seats, your windshields. We use it on our helmets, our boots, you name it. We clean our entire police fleet of bikes with that stuff, and I'll link to it in the description below. Puts a nice microscopic finish on there, makes everything come off that much easier. Now that's looking sharp. All right, so that's the Ciro license plate frame there, and in his other hand here is the actual plastic piece backer that was inside the fender stock OEM. Since it's out, we just want to show you what it looks like, but your wire is essentially going to go through that like so. And then there's a little spot for your wire plug to actually go. You can kind of see it snaps into place here, and that's what it should look like. It'll be easier to see with it out of the bike here, so you know what we're doing up in there. And then your plastic box or housing goes over the top of that, and of course it snaps together. It's got that clip at the bottom. So that's what it's gonna look like when we put it together up inside there. So this is a stock OEM piece that we've showed you. He's gonna reach up and put that into place, and of course line it up so those two tabs come through, and that holds it in place there. All right, so this comes in your kit. This is just a fender pad, and he's gonna show you where it goes there, like so. You line everything up, but the easiest way to do this is, before you set that up, there's actually take your license plate frame with light that comes obviously in your kit here, and you line that pad up like so. And then holding onto that pad, he's gonna go ahead and kind of put this into position. Of course, he's working his wire through the hole there, and then he'll kind of get this mocked up, and he's gonna line those two bolt holes up. Of course, this is the hardware we're reusing, and there's two holes in there, and he's gonna go ahead and start getting these fingers started here. And it helps to hold up underneath that backer so it doesn't pop out while you're doing this. You can see how he's got his hand up underneath the fender there, kind of holding that backer while he's getting these two bolts fingers started. He's putting some pressure on that backer, pushing it up against the inside of the fender while he's tightening these bolts down with a Torx T27 wrench there. And moving around to the other side here. And he'll get those snug down. You do not need to over tighten this stuff, guys. All right, moving back to the inside of the fender there, we're gonna deal with this plug. And of course, he's taking his main wire there and plugging it into his new plug that goes to the Ciro plate and LED light. All right, remember we showed you on that plate, there's a little spot where you can click that plug in there. All right, for now he's gonna take all the extra wire and push it through to the outside, and then we'll put the cover on, and then we can push all the excess back in. All right, and he's gonna go ahead and put his cover back up in there. It slides up into place, and then go ahead and he's gonna snap that into place there. And there's that excess wire that we pushed through. He's just gonna push it back into the box there. And that will mean we have no excess out here. As you can see, the Ciro plate holder, of course, looks sharp. It's curved to the fender. Our plate, which yours will not be either, is flat. And we've got a little trick for that. We wanna curve it a little bit. If you have something round, like this works really good, just a 5-gallon propane tank. And he's gonna go ahead and just bend that real nice. Looks like he got it there. And you can see we got a nice curve in that. And then he's gonna go back up to the bike here. And yeah, you can do a little manipulating if you need to, but that's looking pretty darn good. And again, you can get this in black or chrome, the outer frame here. There's two hooks on it he's gonna point to, one in each corner that's gonna hook over the top there. And if you appreciate this video and all the videos we put out to help as many bikers as we can worldwide, please consider shopping in the Law Abiding Biker store. Links to the product in the description below. We are just a bootstrap company of bikers trying to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. We appreciate every customer. We'll definitely take care of you. Remember, no tax if you're not a Washington State resident, and free shipping over $100. We appreciate your support. He's gonna kind of set his plate in here first and get it basically situated there. You can see you can see he put it up underneath the light a little bit so it holds it there. Then remember those hooks we showed you at the top? They go right over the top there, and he's kind of working his plate there to get everything lined up. All right, and you just kind of got to work everything in there, and then you can hear it kind of snaps. You got to pass the plate over the bottom lip, and we are good to go now. All right, so moving to the underside here, to hold that outer frame into place, we'll look up underneath here, and you'll see he's pushing it. You got to get that hole lined up, basically the outer frame with the inner, and that's what will hold it in place. You can see this bolt with washer on it that comes in your kit, and it's a 3/16 hex head, and he's just, you can see getting that lined up, and he will work it into place here and just gently snug that down. Of course, he's gonna get everything cleaned up and all his hamburger grease fingers and French fries, getting it all over my bike with that BUGSLIDE. Oh yeah, looking sharp. All right, we'll go ahead and fire the bike up here. As you can see, we got that nice LED light up at the top there, shining down onto the plate. And I don't think anybody can argue that really makes this bike look much more modern and really cleans up the rear of it. So strongly suggest this product from Ciro.